The rehabilitation and reconstruction work in the historical flood-hit regions of Pakistan continued during this month of January 2011 by Helping Hand for Relief and Development. Under the Adobe Union Council program of HHRD, Rs 85 lakh worth of winter packages were distributed in 10 union councils, namely Charsadda, Nowshera, Sawat, Mianwali, Muzaffargarh, Rajanpur, Jacobabad, Jafarabad, Kashmir, and Shikarpur. Keeping in mind the requirements of each family members in order to safeguard them for extremely harsh winter this year in various parts of the country with different degree of winter, HHRD volunteers and staff members distributed in an organized manner 2 comforters, 2 mattresses, 1 jacket each for man and woman, 2 sweaters for the children with woolen scarf and caps. For regards to the distribution of winter packages, various events were held in different locations. On these occasions, the beneficiaries thanked Helping Hand, its volunteer, staff and donors by saying that this organization is providing care to them on each occasion of need and that is helping them to go back towards normal living and life.
हेल्पिंग हैंड वालों ने हमारी बहुत मदद की है। सर्दी बहुत ज़्यादा है, जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने 2 बिस्तरे और जैकेट वगैरह भी दिया है, जिसे पहनकर हम सर्दी से बच सकते हैं।
हमारे लिए जो बिस्तरों का इंतज़ाम किया है, हमें बहुत खुशी है। हम इन्हें इस्तेमाल करेंगे और दुआएं देंगे।
हेल्पिंग हैंड का हम बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं कि उन्होंने हमें सर्दियों का सामान दिया है, बिस्तर दिए हैं, चादरें और जैकेटें भी दी हैं। थैंक यू हेल्पिंग हैंड।
Applauding the distribution work of winter package of Helping Hand, an esteemed charity out of Saudi Arabia, the King Abdullah Relief has also chalked out a plan to distribute through Helping Hand 30,000 blankets and comforters, milk packets and dates. According to Country Director of Helping Hand Pakistan Fazlur Rahman, the comforters, blankets and other things received from the King Abdullah Relief will be distributed to people in dire needs of urgent basis in the district of Shikarpur, Ladkana, Shadat Kot, Jacobabad, Dadu, Khairpur and Kashmir.
In order to improve the economic situation of less earning persons in the areas badly affected by the floods, Helping Hand for Relief and Development has started to expand its existing vast and full-fledged interest-free microfinance program. During the month of January 2011, 158 persons received checks worth Rs 28 lakhs and 93,000 in 5 different places of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Azad Kashmir. These interest-free loans were given to those whose businesses were terribly affected in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa areas of Mangora, Thana, Talash and Chakdara, while Lamnia in Azad Kashmir. To distribute these interest-free loans, different events were held in these 5 regions, which were attended by Helping Hands Board of Trustees member Dr. Muhammad Alias Sayyed and other distinguished personalities of the areas. All the speakers of these events hailed the interest-free microfinance program of HHRD, saying the interest-free microfinancing will assist families to improve their living and come out the existing economic gloom. Everyone thanked Helping Hand for starting this program for the sufferers of the floods.
Various ongoing well-being schemes under the patronage of Helping Hand for Relief and Development are working to provide necessary healthcare facilities to the less fortunate and needy people. For this very purpose, Helping Hands Clinic in Islamabad from HHRD head office has been moved to Meher Colony G12. Meher Colony is considered as an extremely underserved area within the posh metropolis of Islamabad. The purpose of moving the clinic to this area of real destitute and deserving persons is to provide them the state-of-art health services, including facilities like ultrasound and medical test laboratory.
In order to expand the microfinance program of Helping Hand, a 3-day training workshop for field staff was organized in Islamabad, which was attended by 31 persons from Azad Kashmir and the 4 provinces of Pakistan. During the workshop, the attendees learned the basic concept of interest-free loans and at the same time were given instructions so as to prepare them to handle challenges faced in the practical field. Renowned experts of microfinance presented eloquent lectures at the workshops. Other than that, various practical exercises were done by all the participants of our workshop. At this occasion, Managing Director of Helping Hands Microfinance Program, Dr. Shabbir Hussain, informed that this 3-day training workshop will go a long way in assisting the staff to perform their work in a more diligent manner.
this workshop provided a forum to exchange views, to exchange ideas, and also to learn the Islamic methodology of microfinance. And another word, it was also capacity building, because we introduced them how we are implementing these programs.
Persons attending the training said that the workshops helped them not only understand the salient aspect of Islamic economic system, but also have prepared them for the fieldwork which will help them to enhance their performance.
We have gained a lot of concepts of Islamic microfinancing and especially how to implement them in the field.
We visit to Rawalpindi, the different organizations, offices. There we learn there we got many experience from them.
We are going, after this training, we will going to field and implement all these techniques and tools in the field for the better execution of Islamic microfinance.